Okay, now that we have done your solving systems by hand, you've solved them by graphing, substitution, elimination, and then you've solved systems of inequalities. I'm going to show you this Desmos calculator. Some of you may have already realized it, some of you may have not have. But regardless, I'm going to show you how to use it. So if you go to desmos.com/calculator, and that link is in the Google Classroom post, and it's in a separate calculator tab in Google Classroom under classwork. But you can type in your inequalities or your equations and inequalities, graph them, and find your solutions that way. So, for example, if I give you y equals 2x plus 2, you can graph that, hit enter. I'm going to type in another one, y equals negative x minus 4. And once it gets both of them graphed, you can find the intersection and you can just hover over it and it tells you -2, -2. So the solution to this system is -2, -2. Okay. We can do the same thing if they're in standard form. So 3x plus 6y equals 12. And -4x minus 2y equals 8. All right, so our two lines, they intersect here at -4, 4. So the solution to that system is -4, 4. Okay, so it doesn't matter if they're in slope-intercept form or standard form or really what form they're in. You can type each equation in and find the solution. Okay, now for inequalities. If I say y is, and to get less than, let's see, let me hide. There we go. So to get less than or greater than, you click on the little keyboard and it pops up. So I'm going to say y is greater than -x plus 7. And then I'm going to make another one. Let's say y, actually, let's mix it up. Let's say 3x minus 2y is less than or equal to 6. All right, so it graphed, oh, there we go. It graphed both inequalities, it shaded both of them, and you can see where the overlapping shading is, and that's what you would shade in Math Excel. It can also work if you are doing word problems. You can set up the system and type in each equation over here and find your intersection. So this should help you quite a bit on the test. I would go through the Unit 3 test review and I would practice using this Desmos graphing calculator to get your answers so that you're ready for the test on Monday. And there should be no reason for a bad grade on Monday's test because this is excellent, excellent help.